the best game. Yeah, we only left with 2 games. Yes. But we got the league. Ariti next. Forget guys, forget. Ariti next. No, Rotel League.
Yes.
Yeah.
But how do you keep your results like this? I think your players were brilliant today. Sanchez came in from the bench and he was brilliant. How did you do it?
Cardoso must go. I don't think Cardoso must go. I don't think Cardoso must go.
Yes.
I just Cardoso.
Yes.
I remember.
We talk football SA. Don't forget, we talk football SA.
Okay.
Sandawana.